So there's no such thing as scrap metal when you're building products. So as you see, I got some metal over here, and I got a couple ideas about to work on the project. Actually, you know, it's all about utilizing what you got. One man's trash is the next man's treasure. Since this is my trash, I'm gonna turn it into some treasure. I got a couple of ideas, so I'm out here this morning, this afternoon, working on a few things. I actually got to go pick up this paint, so I'm gonna go pick up this paint. I wanted to go on and start painting it today. Really a good day to do it, so I might get started, or it might be tomorrow. I kind of started too late, but it really wouldn't take me that long because it's kind of nice out here, and it's good to paint when it's kind of hot. At least when the sun come up, it helps to stick a lot better. So I got to do that. So I'm working on that today. Got a few things that I'm working on, trying to line a few things out. Looking at my deck board, so to have all of them, everything I need on that aspect, you know, and just trying to line everything out. So trying to utilize what I got out here. I got a few goals, so I'm gonna put everything in motion. I really like how I got things sitting so far. The concept of it. It's gonna be nice when it's all said and done. But you know, when you're doing anything, that's a process. So I'm going through the process. It's one good thing that I can say as of right now. It's mine. These are the keys to it. And I built it with my hands. So, you know, it's gonna take time to get it exactly how I want it, but it's gonna come. And I'm happy that I took the time out to design it the way I want to. And I'm still not done yet. Like I say, I still have a few smooth ideas that I want to add. So that's something that I'm going to be working on. I actually got something I want to put here, some decorations, to just show more of artwork, you know, due to the size of it. So I got a couple things that I'm doing. Just wanted to check in, let you know that I'm utilizing my time, turning one man's trash into the next man's treasure. Out here getting my hog on. Hopefully everybody doing good today. Like I say, I'm out here trying to utilize what I got. Killing several birds with one stone. So it's coming on along. I'm proud of it, man. I'm really, you know what, to be honest with you, what really makes me happy is that I had a vision and I didn't stop. And now I'm hungry. You know how once you finally get a piece of it and you taste it, you're like, oh, I'm almost there. Like, you can't stop now. You know what I mean? I done came too far. So I think once you pushing yourself and you're building your independence, you come up with the vision. You write it down and make it plain. You run and deliver it. You know what I mean? You make sure that it happens. So make sure you evolve of your whole process. Stay involved in it. Stay faithful. Stay working on it. You're going to get discouraged sometime, but keep going anyway. So it's all going to work out as long as you don't stop and keep getting your hog on. Like Feniks.